All right, number 4. Nick surveyed a random sample of freshman class of his high school to determine whether the fall festival should be held in October or November. Of the 90 students surveyed, 25.6% prefer October. Based on this information about how many students in the entire 225-person class will expect to prefer having the fall festival in October. All right. So we know based on the survey, he got the result already. Okay, out of the 90 students he surveyed, 25.6% prefer October. Okay, so we already have the percentage here. Okay, so we don't have to solve for the percentage, right? So in this question, the 90 student survey actually doesn't really matter because they already give us the percentage. Okay, so how many people he based his sample on doesn't really do anything for this calculation. All right, if they give us 90 and they say, for a certain number for October, then we have to calculate percent ourselves, then that will matter. Okay, but for this one, we can just use the 25.6%. So we know based on the survey, we have this many 25.6 per October. So we can apply that for the whole class, which is 225 people. So to find out how many prefer the festival in October, we can just do the whole class, 225. And out of that, we should have the same percentage. Okay, so we can do times that times 25.6%. Okay, so for the entire class should be the numbers percentage should be really close to that of the survey. So we can do 225 times 25.6%, and we can just solve this out. Okay, we can convert the percentage into a decimal. So 25.6% convert to a decimal, the answer number is 0.256. So when you convert percent to a decimal, we can move the decimal point to the left 2 times. Okay, so 25.6% in the decimal form is 0.265. So we can just multiply this out in the calculator and see what we get. 225 times 0.2256 is 57.6. And this is approximately 60, right? So the closest answer should be approximately 60 for this one. And that should be letter B for number 4.